Keeping your yard looking clean sounds easy until you're fighting thick weeds with the wrong trimmer. I bought and tested 5 popular electric weed trimmers to see which ones actually make yard work easier. Whether you need something lightweight, cordless, or powerful enough for tougher jobs, this list should help you find the right one.
Product number 1. Worx 3-in-1 Cordless String Trimmer, Lawn Edger, Mini Mower, WG170.9. I picked up the Worx WG170.9. The first thing I noticed was how light it felt. At just over 4 pounds, it was easy to carry around the yard without wearing out my arms. Switching between trimmer, edger, and mini mower only took a few seconds, and I found myself using all 3 modes during the same afternoon. The command feed button was one of my favorite features because I could add more line whenever I needed it without stopping to bump the head on the ground. I also appreciated the adjustable handle and rotating head, since they made trimming around flower beds and fences much more comfortable. The cordless design gave me complete freedom to move around the yard. If you're already using Worx PowerShare batteries or want one tool that handles several jobs, this model offers excellent flexibility. If you need even more cutting power though, the next trimmer is definitely worth a look.
Product number 2. Black & Decker Best of 510 Weed Whacker. The Black & Decker Best of 510 immediately felt comfortable in my hands, thanks to its lightweight design and adjustable handle. Since it's corded, I never had to worry about battery life, which was a big advantage when tackling an overgrown backyard. During testing, the 6.5 amp motor powered through thick grass and stubborn weeds without slowing down. The automatic feed spool also saved time, because the cutting line advanced on its own, letting me keep working without interruptions. I liked how quickly it converted into a wheeled edger, making sidewalks and driveways look much cleaner with very little effort. The 14-inch cutting path also helped me finish larger areas faster than I expected. The built-in cord retention system kept the extension cord securely attached, which prevented annoying accidental unplugging. If you're looking for dependable corded performance at a reasonable price, this one is hard to beat. Still, another model adds even more versatility by working as a mower too.
Product number 3. Black & Decker MTC220 3-in-1 Combo. I unpacked the Black & Decker MTC220. It felt like I was getting 3 tools instead of 1. The removable wheeled deck transformed the trimmer into a compact lawnmower in just a few moments, which turned out to be incredibly useful for smaller yards. During testing, I switched between mowing, edging, and trimming without needing extra equipment. The automatic feed spool kept the line moving smoothly, while the tower drive system handled thicker patches of grass better than I expected. I also liked having 2 batteries included because I could keep working while one charged. The adjustable deck height and pivoting handle made it easy to find a comfortable working position regardless of the task. This isn't designed to replace a full-size mower for large lawns, but it's perfect for tight spaces and smaller properties. If versatility is your priority, this kit deserves serious consideration. My next pick focuses entirely on creating clean, professional-looking edges.
Product number 4. Worx 12 amp Electric Lawn Edger and Trencher, WG896. The first thing I noticed about the Worx WG896 was that it means business. It feels more substantial than a typical weed trimmer, and once I plugged it in, the 12 amp motor had plenty of power for creating sharp, defined edges. I tested it along sidewalks and driveways, and the results looked much cleaner than using a standard string trimmer. The cutting line indicator made it surprisingly easy to stay straight, while the 3 depth settings gave me flexibility depending on the job. I also appreciated the adjustable shaft because finding a comfortable working height only took a few seconds. Since it's corded, I never had to stop because of a dead battery, although you'll need a good extension cord for larger yards. If perfectly clean lawn edges are your goal, this machine is worth considering. My final pick returns to a lighter all-purpose trimmer that balances simplicity with dependable performance.
Product number 5. Black & Decker ST8600 String Trimmer Edger. When I grabbed the Black & Decker ST8600 for the first time, it immediately felt easy to control. The lightweight build made trimming around fences, trees, and flower beds comfortable, even after extended use. During testing, the automatic spool feed worked exactly as advertised, feeding fresh line without any bumping or interruptions. The power drive transmission provided enough cutting strength to handle tall grass and everyday weeds, while keeping noise levels lower than many gas-powered models. Switching between trimming and edging was quick, and the wheeled edging mode helped produce neat borders along sidewalks. I also like the adjustable handle because it reduced strain during longer yard sessions. The 13-inch cutting path struck a nice balance between precision and speed, making it a great fit for average-sized yards. If you want an affordable electric trimmer that's simple to use and consistently reliable, this model is an excellent way to finish off the list.
Those are my picks for the best electric weed trimmers after spending time with each one in real yard work. The right choice depends on your yard size, budget, and whether you prefer cordless or corded tools. Check the links in the description for the latest prices, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews.